Dear graduates, high achievers, faculty, and honor guests, it is a moment of immense pride and joy for Beaconhouse International College team on this special day, our graduation and high achiever ceremony. To our high achievers, you have set the bar high with your outstanding performance. On 28th of September, we celebrate not just your accomplishments, but the dedication that made them possible. You inspire us all, and we are incredibly proud of what you have accomplished. To our graduates, this is your moment. You have worked tirelessly to reach this point, and this graduation is all about celebrating that accomplishment. I'm looking forward to shaking your hand and congratulating you in person as you step into the next chapter of your life. On behalf of Beaconhouse International College, I congratulate each one of you. May you continue to shine bright and make all of us proud. The future is yours. Go and make it extraordinary.